Designed for ease of use, Tomahawk grain saws cut contraction joints to control stress cracking for the ultimate concrete results. Watch this quick assembly guide to get you started today. Begin by carefully cutting through the packaging. To start assembling the saw, you will need a 17mm socket, a 10mm wrench, and a 5mm Allen wrench. First, loosen the bolts at the base of the handles using a 10mm wrench. Then mount the handles to the back of the saw's roll cage with the longer screw and a 5mm Allen wrench. Next, connect the base of the handles by fastening the bolts and washers, securing the bolts in place with a 10mm wrench. Then complete tightening the screw connecting the cage and the handles with a 5mm Allen wrench. To fit the blade, remove the blade shaft bolt and outer blade flange using a 17mm socket or wrench. Next, mount the blade on the blade shaft and then attach the outer blade flange. Tighten the bolt firmly using a 17mm socket or wrench. To mount the blade block guard with vacuum port, tighten with a 10mm wrench until it is fully seated against the blade block. Once your saw is properly fueled, oiled, and ready to start cutting, adjust the engine throttle lever to the fully open position to achieve maximum engine speed. Align the rear guide wheel with the existing saw cut. Then lower the saw by activating the blade release lever on the handlebars. Allow the rear guide wheel to descend first, followed by the front guide wheel into the established saw cut. Following these steps will ensure proper setup and operation of your saw for efficient and precise cutting. And as always, for more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.